how you're going to submit your work on Google Classroom. Okay, because I think that due to this whole pandemic getting worse every day, I think that there is a very high chance that you won't go back to school. This is not an official statement. This is just me trying to anticipate what's coming in the next few months. So what I would do is that I would expect you to be on PDPR until the end of the year. Again, not official statement, just an observation, just a prediction. So in order for me to prepare myself for that, I will make sure that all of our learning will be on Google Classroom. So it's very important because Google Classroom is the best platform for me to mark your essay. I cannot mark your essay on other platforms because first, it's just impossible. Second, if you just screenshot your work and submit to me, it's very difficult for me to mark your work because again, it's not printed. Only using Google Classroom, I can mark your work electronically. Okay, so I can give fair feedback and stuff like that. Okay, so please, if you haven't logged in your Google Classroom, please do so. I'm just going to show you how many of you are already in our Google Classroom space. Let me just share with you the tab for that. Okay, so far, wait, that's not it. All right. Okay. Let me just find the right one. Okay. Okay. All right, this is how it looked like. Okay, so this is how it looked like for me. Okay, so this is so far only 20 students here. You are 26. Make sure that who's not here? Kashfil, Muzaffar, Raif. Okay, those people who are not here, and if I have not invited you, please invite yourself. Okay, I've already shared the link on your on your WhatsApp group. So please, you already have your password now. Use that password. Okay, do not give excuse to me that I do not know my password, miss. Okay, so if you tend to forget your password, please do not change your password. Okay, if you change it to the same one. 30502 Sakti 30502. Okay, so I'm not going to waste so much time on this one as it is. I'm going to show you how you're going to submit your work. Okay, so let me just stop this screen for now. I want to show you this screen. Okay. All right, so I'm using one of the students' ID that I'm not sure who. I'm so sorry about that, but this is how it looks like in your Google Classroom. Okay, so for today, it's going to be writing a task. So you click on it. Okay, so you view your assignment. Okay, so how are you going to write add your work? Okay, if you didn't know this already, okay, this is just a quick tutorial. Okay, this is the question. I suggest you to press Control and click on it so that you know what questions that you're supposed to answer. Okay, so this is the. Okay, let me just share you through the screen. Yeah. Okay. So this is the question that you have to do for today. Okay, you recently learned about inventions that changed the world. In about 120 words, write about the best invention. The best invention means only one invention. You're not going to talk about a lot of inventions. Okay, you may use all the points below. Okay, so this is the question that you have to answer today lah. Okay, so after you look at the question, okay, I'm just going to share the screen. Let me just check which screen I'm going to export. Right, so what you need to do as a student, you know the question already. Okay, so when you want to submit your work, you add or create here. Okay, here, and then you add Docs, Google Docs. Okay, so you wait for it. So you have a blank space here lah. Okay, so what you can do now is you copy the questions that you read just now. Copy it down. Okay, I'm using Xiaomi Kuzairi's account. Okay, so right, so this is how it look like lah. So you will look at it. Okay, the best invention. Sorry, the best invention. You are going to answer. You are going to write your essay down here lah. Okay, so after you are done, okay, after you have checked your work and whatnot, you have to click turn in. Okay, this is where you turn in your essay, you submit your work, and then it will appear on my account. Okay, so far, any question before I move on to live stream for today? Any question? Class?
No.
No? Okay, so if there's no question, I want you to go straight to the YouTube link that I've shared with you because I'm going to start a live stream very soon. All right, with that, thank you, class.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.